Indrajit is getting us more details on that story at this point in time. Indrajit, in fact, these dharnas, these protests continue in many parts of the country. Doctors have been talking about the fact, particularly in Kolkata, that there is more than one person behind it and that the ambit of the probe has to be widened. It's not satisfactory so far. After the CBI took over the probe, what is it that they are saying right now?
Well, you know, it's a very, very important day in this case because the case will be handed over to the CBI. As you are aware, we are reporting that the CBI has landed in Kolkata. The CBI team is likely to visit the hospital. This is, of course, the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital behind me. Let me show you the structure. As we have been stating, this is the emergency department. This is a multi-storied building. It's located in North Kolkata. Very, very, big hospital and a renowned government hospital in Kolkata. And to fathom that such a heinous crime can take place in this hospital, I will ask my camera person to show. It's located right in a very busy location next to Shambazar, Belgachia area, thronged by hundreds of people, in fact thousands of people every day. For such a heinous crime to take place here is unthinkable, and that's the reason why the outrage that we are seeing. You know, there's major outrage, not just here among the students, but it has also found a resonance among the common people of Kolkata. Everybody is angry. We are seeing continuously a lot of people coming in, senior doctors, veteran doctors, coming in and joining the protest. This is the main gate of the RG Kar Hospital. I'll ask my camera person, Tapas Bairi, to show. I'll show you and give my audience a general feel of the location. This is the main road which leads to Shambazar, and right next to this is the RG Kar Hospital. This is the entrance. This is the hospital, and this is right at the gate of the RG Kar Hospital is where the Dharna Pradarsan is taking place from the students. They are sitting here. There is this temporary structure that has now been created for students to continue their protest, and they are going to continue with this protest. Nonetheless, because when the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee went and visited the family of the victim, she said that it will be transferred to the CBI if there is no progress in the case. Now the case, in any case, have been handed over to the CBI. So what do these students want? They are saying they are going to continue with the protest as long as the investigating agencies are not able to reach the absolute, unless they reach the end of this entire controversy. One person, of course, has been arrested, but there are several others. They believe, the students believe that there are several others who may have been involved. They don't believe the fact that it could be the handiwork of one person. Let's talk to a few students and find out. I can see a lot of senior members have also come in to join the protest. Ma'am, I believe you have come here to join the protest today.
Nishay, definitely. We are with solidarity with them.
Are you a former student of this?
Student, and my service period, long period I was here as a professor and head in the department.
You were working, ma'am, when you were working here, could you ever imagine something could take place at a hospital? Could you ever imagine, could you ever imagine something could happen at a workplace, your work?
Never imagined, never dreamt of it, nothing. I cannot believe this can happen. I don't know what is the answer. We are always with them, always with them.
You, I believe, is a student here, right? One person has been arrested, but what exactly is the demand?
The demand is arrest of all the culprits.
You don't believe that it is a handiwork of one person?
Yes, I don't believe.
You believe that there could be other people involved? Yes. You don't believe it is the handiwork of one person? You think more people are involved?
Yeah, we are suspecting. We are suspecting.
Why are you suspecting that?
बिकॉज जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है, जो कांड हुआ है, हम लोग के हिसाब से वो एक आदमी का काम नहीं हो सकता। इसलिए हम लोग तो बोला है कि वी वांट जस्टिस। जो भी जितने भी लोग थे उसके हिसाब चाहिए हम लोग।
अब जब सीबीआई मिल गया है, अब सीबीआई इंक्वायरी होगा, तो क्या आप लोग संतुष्ट हैं कि एटलीस्ट सीबीआई के ऊपर भरोसा है?
देखिए, हम लोगों का जो डिमांड
Tell our viewers, these are pictures on your screen live. At this point in time now, where the accused now is being taken for a medical checkup, he's been taken to the hospital. Sanjay Roy, on your screens right now, the main accused in this case is now being taken to a hospital for, right now in fact, the police has brought the accused at the CBI Special Crime Branch office at the CGO complex in Kolkata. Okay, that's the update at this point in time now. Kolkata police team bringing the accused to the CBI Special Crime Branch at the CGO complex, even as the CBI takes over this probe from the Kolkata police. The complete handover, the final handover of this case is happening today. And right now, as a part of that, the accused has just been brought before the CBI Special Crime Branch office. This at the CGO complex in Kolkata. Pictures on your screen. Right now, out of the Kolkata police also handing over the evidence. I'll go back to Indrajit for more on that, if he can, for a moment. But these are pictures coming in of the accused who's now, in fact, being brought to the CGO complex. This is CBI headquarters as the matter now formally is being handed over to the CBI as has been ordered by the Calcutta High Court. Indrajit is now back with us. Indrajit, essentially, this is formal handing over of this case, including the accused here, to the CBI, essentially.
Well, that's right. You know, as I said, it's a very, very crucial day for the investigation because the Central Bureau of Investigation will be taking over the entire probe. And they would be handed over the case diary. And of course, the prime accused in the case, Sanjay Roy, he is also being handed over to the CBI. He would be, taken for medical tests, for formal procedures. The Kolkata police, Sneha, as I've been saying, were of the opinion, and they firmly believe it, that it was a handoff work of the prime suspect who they have arrested, Sanjay Roy. However, as I just spoke to the students, and you heard it, a lot of them still suspect that it could not have been the handiwork of one person, that there could have been others involved in it as well. And therefore, the task is cut out for the CBI right now. They will have to figure that out. The Kolkata police have been telling us that they have, good amount of evidence, and they are very confident that they have been able to crack the case. The deadline set for them by the Chief Minister was Sunday. But even before that, the Calcutta High Court has transferred the case to the CBI. So, of course, the Central Bureau of Investigation will now take over the case.